In this video, I will show you how to add a product to your store in Hostinger Website Builder. This is my website homepage in Hostinger Website Builder, and this is my store in the same website. To add a product to this store, just go to Store Manager, and from this left side menu, click on Products. As you can see, these are my current products, and to add a new one, click on Add Products button. You can select between a physical, digital, service, donation, and appointment. Let's go with a physical product. From here, you can upload your photo products. Let's go with this photo. Let's give your product a title, for example, chair. You can add a ribbon like new, a subtitle like handmade. You can give description. Here you can add information about your product or some short store policies, for example. For pricing, here you fill in your price, for example, $20, and it is discounted to $50. You can add an SKU and a weight. 80 ounces. Let's say I have only 10 shares to sell. Click on track quantity and fill in 10. For the options, you can add sizes, color, and material options. For example, small. Let's go with size, small and medium and big. Click on save. For the categories, I can select, for example, a category. For example, let's go with hiking gear, for example, and hit save. As you can see, a new product is added. Don't forget to update your website. So go to editor, then click on update website. Now that my changes are published, let's view my site live. Go to store, and this is my last product or share. This is the title, this is the subtitle, this is this discounted price, this is the original. For size, I can select with between medium, small, or big. I have 5 in plus 5 in stock. I can go to buy, for example, all the, as you can see, after 10 I can't add another product. Click on add to bag, and this is my product description. And this is how to add a product in Hostinger Website Builder.